I should do my laundry.
Hello, I'm Edward, and I discovered the ImFresh a while ago now, and it's been an absolute blessing. Before, my roommate would overflow his laundry baskets for weeks until I complained about it. But after I gifted him the ImFresh, it now reminds him of the correct time to do his laundry. Similarly, he used to sleep in the same unwashed bed sheets for months or even years. But now, ImFresh kindly reminds him about replacing it every couple of weeks, and he no longer reeks every morning. My life is now bearable. I think ImFresh is simple, but it does its job well. Thanks, ImFresh.